Judge Ashton. The purpose for this is to let you all know that I am running and what my platform is and what I'm running for. The basis for what I'm running for is simply family. Simply family. Well, how I was raised, my mother and father raised me to believe in love and believe in forgiveness. Even though you go through trouble and turmoil and situations. My mother and father suffered a divorce when I was a child. But what they did is they taught us about the importance of forgiving one another, loving one another throughout the pain. The past is just that, the past. The heart always heals. But what we have to do is have services and resources necessary in order for the families to be able to recoup when they go through the transitions that they go through. So what I would like to offer as judge is programs and resources and family-centric solutions to help families learn techniques in order to get over the heartache, get through the process, and come out in a better end. And so that's what I would like to offer. My plan is simply simple. It's all about counseling. It's all about trying to help families as they go through the transition. Where I come from, out of Tennisville Project, we did not have a lot of resources. We didn't have a lot of things that we needed in order for us to get through the problems that we were going through. What I see as a practicing attorney, and been practicing for 15 years, is the ability that domestic relations is a good court, but it also can be a difficult court for people that go through the process. And what I would like to be able is to offer the individuals that come through the process reconciliation plans, daily masters, and daily masters is a service that will allow people to get immediate results. And they don't have to wait a year, 2 years, 6 months to get results. Also, try to give people counseling as they come through the door. We have to understand that when people come through the door, they've already made a difficult decision. It's hard for them as they file the papers, as they split up their resources, as they concern what's going to happen to my children. And so what we can do is have resources in place, counseling resources in place that can help people navigate through the difficult situation. I like to say, just because your name changes doesn't mean your duties changes. You cannot quit on your family because family is important. We need mothers and we need fathers. And those things are very important to me. Because of my mother and father relationship, because of how they reared us, I went through a divorce myself. But I was able to come through it on the other side of being able to be friends with the man that's sitting here right now. He is one of my biggest supporters. I support him, he supports me, because one thing we left on love. We left on compromise. We left on understanding. But that was only through the ability to develop reconciliation plans necessary for us to move through it. I, among anything else, wanted him to be all right. And he, among anything else, wanted me to be all right. So as long as you have that agreement and that understanding and that basis, I think that I, as a judge, can bring those services to the court because I understand what it is to go through them as a child, and I understand what to go through it as an adult. And so what I'm asking for is your support, your love, and the opportunity for me to implement these services so that we can be able to help the community. Because I know I cannot do it by myself. And so I thank all of you all for doing it with me. Thank you.